This is Cave Light Grey, a glazed polished porcelain tile with a soft grey mottled appearance, smooth surface texture and gloss finish. Produced using the latest inkjet and manufacturing technology, Cave Light Grey is able to display a luxurious look and feel while still carrying the low maintenance and long lifespan of a tile. Not only does Cave Light Grey create a sense of spaciousness with its generous rectangular sizing, it is also robust and resilient, making the grade for stain, crack, temperature and chemical resistance. Cave Light Grey is suited to interior floors and walls, setting a cool, calm and collected tone in bathrooms and bedrooms, and creating stylistic harmony in kitchens and living areas, as it sits comfortably next to natural elements and also pairs well with glass and metal finishes. Cave Light Grey is guaranteed to bring a sense of seamless practicality to any space it goes into. Shop it online or in store at Italtile.